Every day is a new beginning. Take a deep breath, smile, and start again. Good morning, students. Welcome back to Computer Science class. In our previous class, we studied about the input device and the output device. Input devices are used to feed data into the computer. It is used to convert the data from a human understandable form to machine understandable form, that is zeros and ones. We studied about the different types of input devices like keyboard, mouse, joystick, scanner. Keyboard is the most commonly used input devices to input alphanumeric characters. And there are different keys on the keyboard like alphanumeric keys, special keys, function keys. And we also studied about the 5 types of keyboard, that is standard, ergonomic, wireless, virtual and compact keyboard. And the next topic what we studied was mouse. Mouse is an input device that controls the movement of the cursor on the display screen. And the next input device what we studied is joystick. A joystick is an input device and it is mainly used for playing games. Scanner is a direct entry input device. It is used to scan the picture, shapes or symbols with the help of laser light. Different types of scanners are OMR. OMR is optical mark reading or recognition. And the next type of scanner is OCR. OCR is optical character recognition. And MICR. MICR is magnetic ink character recognition. OMR is used to recognize certain pre-specified types of marks which are made by pencil or pen. This is mainly used for CET exam. And OCR is a scanner which is used to recognize the printed or written alphanumeric characters. MICR is mainly used in banking sector in order to speed up the check processing. So these are the different devices what we have learned in our previous class as input device. And what is output? Output is a result or information that is obtained after processing. So different output devices are there. The most commonly used output device is monitor and printer. We studied about monitor. Monitor is also known as visual display unit, that is VDU. Monitors will provide a visual display of data. It looks like television. Monitors are of different types and have different display capabilities. So you have 2 types of monitors. One is monochrome. It will display only black and white. And color monitors, it can be used to display different colors from 16 to 1 million colors. So these were the topics what we have studied in last class. Device what we are going to learn is printer. A printer is an output device that will produce text and graphics on a physical medium like paper. That is, there are 2 types of information that we can get from the computer. One is soft copy. Soft copy means the information stored in computer is called soft copy. Hard copy, the information printed on the paper is called hard copy. There are 2 types of printers, that is impact printer and non-impact printers. And impact printers form characters and graphics on a paper by striking paper head against an ink ribbon that physically contacts the paper. The different impact printers are line printers and dot matrix printer. Characteristics or features of impact printers. In impact printers, there is a physical contact with the paper to produce an image. Multiple copies can be printed. Due to striking activity, impact printers are very noisy. Impact printers do not support transparencies. Slow speed in character per second. So these are the features or characteristics of impact printers. Line printer. A line printer, a high-speed printer capable of printing the entire line at one time. A fast line printer can print as many as 3000 lines per minute. The disadvantage of line printers are that they cannot print graphics. The print quality is low and they are very noisy. So these type of printers are used mainly to print the text and they are not used to print the graphics or images. You can see the line printer over here that will print the pages line by line, and the output you can see over here. Dot matrix printing. Dot matrix printer is a type of computer printer which uses a print head that moves back and forth or in up and down motion on the page and prints the impact by striking an ink soap cloth ribbon against the paper, much like a print mechanism on a typewriter. You can see a dot matrix printer over here. A non-impact printers. A non-impact printer forms the characters and graphics on the paper without striking the paper. These types of printers use a semi-solid ink stored in the printer cartridge to print the characters on the paper. Commonly used non-impact printers are inkjet printers and laser printers. Characteristics or features of non-impact printers. They are quite than impact printers because no striking mechanism is involved in non-impact printers. These printers will produce high quality printouts. These printers cannot print multiple copies. It can print color pages. The speed is calculated by number of pages per minute. So these are the features or characteristics of non-impact printer. Inkjet printer. Inkjet printer has a nozzle-like print head that sprays ink onto the paper to form characters and graphics. They use two cartridges, one is black and white cartridge and the other one is color cartridge. It is small, lightweight and inexpensive. Ink cartridges can be expensive. Laser printer. It uses a technology that produces dots of line on a light sensitive drum. It requires toner cartridge refills. When the refills gets over, then you have to replace with the toner cartridge. It uses for high volume output or for good quality printouts. It is more expensive. You can see a plotter over here. Plotter is also an output device that draws pictures on a paper based on the commands from the computer. Plotters are used to draw the lines using the pen so that they can produce continuous lines. Multicolor plotters use different colored pens to draw the different colors. It is used to print large format images for the construction or engineering work created in a CAD system. That is computer aided design system. The next output device is speaker. A speaker is a device that produces computer output as sound. Speakers are common devices in computer system. There are different types of speakers, that is built-in speakers, two device set speakers, surround sound speakers. These are different speakers. In order to listen to music, we are using speakers in computer. Today's class we studied about output device, that is printer, and also we saw the working of different printers. A printer is an output device that will produce text or graphics on a physical medium like paper. So we studied about output device printer. A printer is an output device that will produce text and graphics on a physical medium like paper. So there are different types of printers: impact printer and non-impact printer. An impact printer forms characters and graphics on the paper by striking paper head against an ink ribbon that physically contacts the paper. So there are different types of impact printers, that is line printer and the dot matrix printer. Non-impact printers are those type of printers that will form characters and graphics on the paper without striking the paper. These type of printers, they use semi-solid ink to print the characters on the paper. The most commonly used non-impact printers is inkjet printer and laser printer. Later we studied about plotters. Plotter is also used to draw pictures on the paper that are based on commands from the computer. Plotters are used to draw the lines using the pen so that they can produce continuous line. And there are also multicolor plotters which are used with different colored pens to draw different color with different colors. It is used to print large format images for construction or engineering work purpose. The next output device what we studied was speaker. Speaker is also output device that is used to listen music. For functioning the speaker, a computer should have a software called sound card. For high quality sound, we should have to attach a good speaker to our computer. So these were the different output devices what we studied today, that is printer and speaker. The most commonly used output device is monitor and printer. The questions are: what is input device? Mention any two input devices. You can write the commonly used devices, that is keyboard and mouse. What is output device? Mention any two output devices. Expand OMR, OCR, MICR. Define the resolution of the monitor. Mention any one application of MICR. What is hard copy and soft copy? Mention the different types of printers. Give example for impact printer. Give example for non-impact printer. Expand CRT, LCD, LED. CRT, the expansion is cathode ray tube. LCD, that is liquid crystal display. LED is light emitting diode.